morning, people. Welcome to our lovely podcast show. First, let us introduce ourselves as a host who will bring to you some interesting topic discussion in this podcast. First, my name is Miko Tubagas. You can call me Miko. And this is my friend.
My name Muhammad Syedakil Hussein. You can call me Syed or Ocha.
And both of us from Esa Unggul University, class PKBN number 22. By the way, Ocha, let's straight to the point. Can you explain to the viewer what topic we will share today in this podcast show?
Okay, thanks Miko. In this podcast today, we will share topic about innovative ways young people could make to grow the love to local culture. Why we choose this topic to discuss, and maybe some our viewer are also wondering the same thing. Why we look back recently, the local culture began to be replaced by presence of technology. This is really very concerning. Moreover, culture is an identity for a nation. Therefore, here we share our talk on how to make this culture even more attractive to young people. Right, Miko?
Right, I agree with your reason about why we choose this topic, especially the two of us, young people who love our homeland. We should do something that can gain people interesting in our local culture. One of the example for that is like what we doing now, provide informative content through this podcast show. So in this podcast, we will explain to you five different mind point questions relate for this topic. So without further ado, we will move out and enter first question. So Ocha, what do you think about important local culture for younger generation and society?
Okay, thanks, Miko. I think why culture is important. Culture has the power to transform the entire societies, strengthen local communities, and forge a sense of identity and belonging for people of all ages. The concept of culture has many definitions and interpretation. In social settings, it is often used broadly to present entire ways of life, include in such way of life and are rules, value, and expect behavior. At its most basic level, culture can be seen as the shared product of a society. These products have a common meaning that accumulates over time and also reflects the shared attachment among community members. Then, what benefit if we can develop local culture? For example, the diversity that exists in Indonesia is one of the added values that our nation has. Culture can also be a national asset that cannot be replaced by anything else. With added value from the unique culture that we have, many tourists from abroad admire it, and with local culture, we have unique identity. Okay, Rico. So, can you give us a reason why the younger people generation is the main target for innovating something in terms of developing and growing a sense of love for our local culture amongst the people?
Wow, that's a good question, Ocha. I'm gonna explain to you regarding for your question. So your question is why the younger generation is the main target for innovating something. We give you two main reasons for this. First reason is because they have more massive social relationship connection as a young people because as we know, the young people they often hang out with their friends a lot and they have a lot more time to spend with any kind of people, which means the young people are more able to influence a large number of people in general because they have this massive social relationship connection. And the second reason is, according to Yanwar Herlambang from the journal he made with the title The Creativity Role of the Young Generation in Creative Industry for the Nation Progress. In this journal, he talks about how the younger generation have a more creativity and imagination thought in their head. And this is the reason why the younger people be the main target in terms of innovating something.
Okay, Miko, thank you for explanation. But I have one question again. How young people can innovate something in this day? Through what?
Oh, okay. This good question too, Ocha. I will answer that right away. We know young people in this day generally can operate computing device like smartphone and computer. And they're not just use it, but they're good at it. With digitalization happen in this day, it forcing everyone to be digitalized. But with digitalization happening in the world, it's made some benefit for our life too. Example for that is nowadays it's more easy to get information compare back in the day. Back in the day, we should go to the store, buy some newspaper or book to gain some solid information. But now we just try to open web browser, typing it information what we need, and the information instantly pop up to our screen. So exactly this day is more easily compared back in the day in terms of gaining some information. And this benefit make it easier for the people to innovating something new these days. So we as a young generation must be grateful for this digitalization because it helps us as a young people to be able to channeling our creativity and our imaginative thought. So one of the ways to channeling our creativity and our imaginative thought is by utilizing technology and internet that exists today, such as creating content that show how beautiful our local culture through social media like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook page. And maybe some of you asking about why must through social media for innovating something to grow people love to our local culture. The reason is, according to Kus Puji Catur Bagus Wicaksono, from the journal he made with the title Measuring the Effectiveness of Social Media for Companies. So in this journal, he talks about how social media is proven to provide a large number of sharing rates amongst the people, fastly, quickly, and rapidly. And this is the big reason why we must utilizing social media as a young people who want to make our local culture being flourish and being loved for a bunch of people.
Okay, Miko, can you give us an explanation about what the impact on local culture and other sector in of life when the innovation process among young people is going well?
Oh, okay. I will answer that. So the impact is divided into three impact sector explanation. First is culture sector. The impact that occur in this sector of culture, it can keep our local culture preserved and it can gain more love for our local people to the next level. Second is economic sector. The impact on the economic sector is it can create a new business opportunity amongst the people relate to our local culture. And the last is social sector. The impact on the social sector is it can provide a media for people to interact with each other more through our local culture event that's being held. Okay, it's my turn to asking some question to Ocha. Ocha, I have question for you. How do we preserve our local culture through something interesting? Please give us explanation according to your version.
Okay, this is my version about how we preserve the local culture with something interesting ways. At this point, I will mention some example. I have 10 point who what is the way of uh, preserve the local culture with something interesting. Point number one, integrate local culture element into the hotel environment using local products, decoration, and even architecture. Next point, avoid over commercialization of local culture product and be tasteful. Point number three, provide guests with simple press book and cultural advice to add an extra dose of authenticity to their vacation experience. The next point, create a display corner or an exhibition on traditional craftsmanship in the hotel and sell local handicraft. Next point, encourage the hiring of local staff and tour operators, especially in major travel destinations. Next, offer tours into local UNESCO World Heritage sites and co-create experience with locals. Next, host awareness raising activities for local communities and offering training to local business. Point number 8, collect litter in your immediate surroundings and use eco-friendly alternative when you can. Point number 9, sponsor and support local community events and host fundraising event for local community organization. The last point, donate donate a share of your profit to local charity and make it easy for guests to donate spare change. So yeah, that's I think that's our five main point explanation for this topic. Next, we will enter the final conclusion of this topic. So without further ado, let's move on.
Conclusion. So we as a young generation must be proud with our Indonesian local culture. Show the world that our local culture is very beautiful. Do not be ashamed for our local culture, but you should be proud with that. As a young generation, we have imaginative and creative thought as a weapon for inventing something to make our local culture grow again. Besides that, in these days, we as a young generation supposed to utilizing technology to help us for innovating something. So once again, be proud with our local culture and we should try the best as a young generation who love our homeland to make our local culture grow again. I think that's all for the information we can share. I hope it is useful for you. We are sorry for any word or behavior that unpleasing your heart. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Good morning.